Alright, rock, paper, scissors for first shot.
Alright.
Rock,
dude.
oh.
Hang on.
Just put it in too.
You can do it however you need to do it. I don't care.
We got this.
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Come on, Saturday! Shoot.
There.
It's like you knew.
I'm really great. I don't care what anyone says.
Ooh.
Do I take it away now?
Yeah.
Maybe do a shot of it yesterday. I think I looked through more of the egg yesterday.
Sometimes, if I'm like at work and I feel like I'm around, like, especially when I was
No.
push it in my mouth.
Background noise. Oh man. Dale, I'm gonna have to make a belt extender if you win.
Background noise actually helps because when there's background noise and we're recording from 3 cameras.
Diamond.
That's such a bullshit call. So, okay, go ahead.
I can't shoot when there's people talking.
Oh!
Still haven't rewrapped it yet.
How you like me now?
She still hasn't rewrapped it though.
Huh? But she shot the
You
first
don't
ball.
say that?
Yeah, I called Diamond.
Oh,
I make diamond.
I'll give it to her.
I'll give it.
Be nice. You have to.
I like that rule.
You go to college, Dale.
Right now?
Yeah.
Do this
Now you
now?
do.
Like this?
So,
Or is it the wrong way?
No, you're fine.
At any time. I can't believe you pulled that shit on her.
Come on!
And I was rooting for you.
Jesus.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you can't piss off your fans.
Yes, I can. That's what I'm good for.
Ball girl.
Like I said, I've pissed off everybody in this room at least once with that.
Never. Whoa!
Buckets!
Whoa! I was a little too confident. Damn.
Almost.
Almost.
Ow. Slavery, yeah.
There's a box behind Greg if we need more, but we won't.
Yeah, you can tell him to put it in the diamond.
Can you put it in a diamond?
Yes!
Way to coach.
Got your back.
Say it with your chest a little bit.
Hey Mindy, how's things been at the Monkey bar?
Yeah. Huh?
How's things been at the Monkey?
It's been really good.
Yeah.
Well, this past Monday was like,
Man, the snow and everything.
Are you working tomorrow for the Super Bowl?
Yeah.
No.
Or no, I
I'm not. Val will be there.
Whoa!
Oh, and
Coming in here looking like Thor.
got
Energy.
this, girl.
What is beer not working for you,
Nope.
Jeez.
Oh! We got that on film.
I like red.
Doink.
Off the dome. The cup.
damn, that cup was so nice.
I don't know, boys. They always looking for some gold. Ray's like, whatever, dude.
Ooh.
Girl, you were so close.
I'm
Blow it
getting
out.
it.
Blow it out. You can blow it. Blow it.
It inflates my lungs. I get to smoke another cigarette.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh. Hey, so close. I know, but my fingers are all so close.
I know. It's
Just a little bit
of water. Come on, girl.
See, I can do that too.
Oh, fucking heck. Damn it. I'm looking at the I was a little too confident.
Just like waxing off.
Alright.
What's that?
I was using a different technique.
It's flick of the wrist. Flick of the wrist. Flick of the wrist.
Oh, that wrist was a little. I don't know, did I look wrong?
Yeah, just grab from that box. 'Cause it's way behind there.
That was a good effort.
I was trying a different avenue. No, it's too hot.
Oh, Dale's not that.
Where was that last one going?
Another zip.
Nope. Oh.
Come on.
Damn it, this might be a little longer.
The first one's always long, and then everything else kind of. Why does it say
Ah!
6 minutes?
Alright. So
Do I
you
still
made
go?
Yeah. If you make this shot, you get another one.
Okay.
If not, it's over.
Well, let's call it over.
It was fun.
Alright, so that's game one?
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright, game one.
Thank God another bottle of Moscato.
Listen, yeah, thank God for the
I just
little
learned what
ones.
Moscato was tonight.
She's like, you asked her about the big ones. She was like,
Alright, you guys are
I
good.
mean,
Good, okay.
yeah,
If I didn't have to drive like
Do we need to get
Another bottle of Moscato?
No.
I'm sure she'll do the Tito's and Gatorade.
I have Bar-jutsu balls. I'm gonna have to get Active Living Studio balls with the logo on it.
It'll just be an old lady in a.
Mindy, what are your thoughts on doing an active living commercial?
Oh, I forgot about that.
Jim was supposed to talk to you.
I was supposed to talk to you guys.
He sent me a couple scripts for you guys
My
to do
fingers are
a
frozen,
video.
so
Yeah.
that's what's wrong.
Is this the thing where we ride around on
Yeah.
the scooter in the? Yeah, and you're gonna do an obstacle course.
Yeah.
He has things that he wants you guys to. I forgot about that.
Go along.
To read the script. Are you doing that tonight, or do you want to set that? Because she lives like minutes from
Mindy,
here.
if she wants to.
Yeah, finally.
It'd be fun if we did it tonight. Well, for the lift chair, you can do it real short.
You want to do that downstairs, right?
It's up to, yeah, it's up to you.
You want to do a scooter commercial where you're riding your scooter?
Where's my alert necklace?
oh no, I don't need an alert necklace.
Life alert.
Is there something attached to the scooter that if I
Fall out of it, it like calls 911. Is there like a GPS
That was
locator
like
on
a
it?
duplicate.
They're not that complicated.
I'm just kidding.
Ooh, she gets a refresh for that one.
No.
Yeah, she does.
No, not on our. She's
Not on
doing
our
what she
release.
would.
It's right there.
A for effort.
And yeah. Oh.
Gotta get some music or something, Jim.
What? While we're playing?
While we're playing.
Yeah.
Play it on your phone. Mine's like 10%.
Downstairs charger.
Shit, that was a bad one.
Bring next time is my speaker.
Damn.
Girl.
Who's got
Got this.
Pandora.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Got this, girl. Let me loosen you up, girl.
Hey, the ball's right there.
Do you want to wear my hat?
Maybe a glove.
I know. Do you need a
Here,
mitten?
maybe I need your hat.
Do you need a mitten?
Maybe it'll make me as good as you.
Yes, Queen.
When I was trying to.
Oh.
Of course. Anything you want.
Did you know they're all playing?
No.
Pepperoni and
And you know, I guess we don't have to be that strict about filming. We are just doing these for our channel until we get the green light to go back on the network.
Yeah.
So if we're fucking walking in front of cameras and shit, I guess it's not really a big deal.
I know.
You can call it funny.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Bar-jutsu, uncut.
That's why I'm here. You guys, you ladies have to watch the episode that me and him did before you got here.
Yeah.
My neck is still messed up.
You still have the
I'll
marks?
bring mine off.
I don't know.
Like, where when I start working out and get like real stiff, my dog just feels like a 10 unit. Yeah.
What was that, gangster?
Is
that a gangster league?
Yes.
Right behind you for the other.
It feels amazing, but he's like, no, this shit fucking hurts. I'm like,
I thought he was gonna cry for a second earlier.
yeah, Carrie's gonna.
Dude, it was.
He didn't
Damn
go.
I was gonna call it.
Make it?
I was gonna call it.
That's game. So when he makes the last two, his shot that goes back cancels out your redemption. That's right, you're all good shots.
Well, that's work from home.
Yeah.
Oh, you're on fire.
How haven't you won a belt yet, Phil? Jeez.
I've been to a lot of finals.
Okay.
I've been to the finals.
Every
Hey, he makes it to the finals every year.
Blew that out.
No, I worked the whole time.
Yeah.
What that mouth detail. I told you I was bad.
People weren't, but like, I mean, I'm a concert person.
Bow, it's not the skills that we're looking for. The body and the face that everybody wants to watch.
I figured, because I don't have any skills.
Come on, Val, you got this.
Uh-oh. Dale's going for the naked laugh. I need to put the pressure on you,
Come on, Val, you
I'm
got
close.
this.
I'm
You
close.
got this.
The first one is
No naked laugh for Dale. So sorry, pal. She denied it.
I
said,
think
you
the
know the
naked laugh.
So,
You know what, I feel that way too.
Dale said bring it on.
Nah, maybe I don't.
excitement for that. You know, like, you know,
It's got some gamer.
and it's just, I mean, you work full-time.
Oh.
You got scared.
Yeah, but like, you work full-time too, so I mean, you're still doing
Wait, I have to call it in the air?
Well, no, like if you would have called, if I would have been shooting,
Yeah.
and you would have called that.
I made it, then I had to, my shot would count. Yeah. What I did here, now.
I'm trying to help you.
I did that. I don't like that rule. See, you're gotten my mind all
I'm
fucked
trying
up.
to help.
Aw.
They went very basic.
I see that.
Oh!
Where did that go? Oh, my hair's on it.
That only starts the heat.
Is there a timer?
Did it shut off after a while? I get that on 4 hours.
Tits. For you.
Trying to make it right in there. That's what all the time.
What is? Now what other rule did you just make up?
I did get a fire pit in my backyard, and Columbus Brothers on 11th Road.
Oh, Dale.
Let's go, Mal. You got this.
Come on,
Oh,
Mal.
too hard.
Oh!
Thank you.
This place has a fire pit.
And your back's not working.
Like, they're so just chill, and I have a couple of friends.
Oh my god. Ooh.
Center. That's such a cut move. Oh, man. What did Dale do? Oh, for a free rack. You have to move that to the center.
I got there.
That's good.
So bum.
Fuck yeah. My fingers are frozen.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, alright. This is it. Do or die.
Do or die.
Oh! This game, okay. Traditional handshake. Do the handshake. Just meet at the center of the table. Very nice.